Hello art lovers, welcome back to another art video. I'm Japneet and you're watching White Peacock Arts. If you are a book lover and an art lover too, then this video is for you because today we are going to paint 3 different bookmarks. Not just simple bookmarks, but 3 different witchy bookmarks as the Halloween is near and you can make your own bookmarks. Let's see how you can DIY. So before we begin today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that every time I upload my art video, you get the notification. So here I've taken A4 size 300 GSM sheet and I'm dividing it into 4 parts with 3 equal parts, and I am separating it with the masking tape. I have taken rectangles of 2.5 inch width and I'll be using acrylic colors. In my palette I have Viridian hue, turquoise, titanium white, chrome yellow, permanent yellow deep and yellow ochre. I have already drawn my sketch of 3 bookmarks and I'm starting with the first bookmark, and I have made a sea green color by mixing titanium white, Viridian hue and yellow ochre. This is our base layer. You can use a little bit of water to spread the paint over the sheet, but in acrylic colors you don't need much of water. And for the pumpkin I am mixing orange and chrome yellow to get the pumpkin color. For the highlights, I am mixing titanium white and chrome yellow to get a lighter color, and highlights would fall just on the top or on the sides. So the pumpkin behind this big one will appear darker. Here I am painting a vintage look of the paper, and I had used titanium white and yellow ochre to get this vintage look of the paper. After the first layer had dried, I am coating a second layer of sea green. Here I have used direct Persian blue over the paint, and I'll be using some black and a little red to get this purple color. When we are painting a Halloween stuff or you are making any kind of craft or painting, just remember to add elements of witchy craft, that is pumpkins, some candles and the moon. Here I'm just drawing the motifs. You can make your own bookmarks with your own imagination. Just remember the witchy elements that to be used. Here to get a look of that vintage paper, I am using darker colors for the shadows. And I am writing over it the witchy hours. And with this, our first bookmark is complete, and we are starting with the second one. I'm using chrome yellow for the base. And I am painting the moon with a mixture of titanium white and yellow ochre. I'm using direct burnt sienna to paint some abstract bushes. And you can see I have given a shade of orange at the side, and I am drawing some more bushes. I am also using lighter yellow color to draw the bushes that are farther away. I am drawing silhouette land with some grass and a silhouette tree. It's a barren tree. And a raven that's flying near the moon. Drawing these scary pumpkins. These scary pumpkins are the most important elements of Halloween. Now painting a second pumpkin. Now our second bookmark is complete, and I have started with the third one, and I have taken Persian blue and titanium white mixture. I hope you find these paintings interesting and easy to try. In this third bookmark, I'll be painting a witch flying with its broom. And a castle It's a silhouette castle to give that scary look, and a silhouette witch, flying witch. And personally, I love these bookmarks. I am a book reader myself, and I wanted to create something for my Halloween, so I decided to paint these bookmarks. And if you are a book lover too, you can paint your own bookmarks and use it. You would love it. These are very simple bookmarks and you can try it on your own. Here I am painting a small barren tree, some highlights with the white, and a touch of yellow in the castle to depict the windows. And with this, we are done with our 3 witchy bookmarks. I would really love to hear from you all. How much did you like these bookmarks? You can mention in the comments below. You can also share your views and suggestions regarding the paintings you would like to see in the future. And here we are with our witchy bookmarks. So here we have 3 different witchy bookmarks. You can share your views. Which one did you like the most? You can mention in the comments below. And if you would like to see more of my exclusive painting collection, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Till then, keep painting.